Welcome guys, Cream Boss back again with another reaction video. Today we're called Animal Timer Little Mix Perrie versus Jade. I did Leahan versus Jesse. So this is the second video. This is Perrie versus Jade. So we're gonna check this out and see what's going on. Who's gonna win? I don't know, but my guess is Perrie probably gonna win. That's my guess.
Spider-Man, Superman. Why did I get so joy?
They have an accent, it's heavy there.
Spider-Man.
You can hear like I said, Spider-Man, Superman. That's what she's so like the heavy Caribbean accent. I don't know where she was born. Sorry, she was born in England, but I don't know her ethnicity, like her race.
Oh, little kitty cat. In the time it takes this cat to make a leap of faith, name 3... famous English people.
Oh my God.
Little Mix and James Corden.
Harry Potter. Well, it's not Harry Potter.
The time it takes this pug to wake up, name 3
Superheroes. Iron Man, Spider-Man, Superman.
Yeah, that's the way she's saying that, bro, with that heavy accent.
Superman, Spider-Man.
These guys are funny as
The
hell.
time it takes this dog to pop
Perrie is
his
actually
balloon,
very
name
funny.
3 things you can't live without. My phone, my boyfriend, my family. Guys, make it a bit.
Oh, damn.
I'm so good at this. I'm having a good day.
really good. In the time it takes this rat to eat a piece of popcorn, name 3
It's gonna take it forever. Look at the size of the bit of popcorn.
No, probably gonna eat it fast.
Trees, bushes, grass.
I went all David Attenborough, didn't
Oh, they're right neck
In the
and
time
neck.
it takes
I
this
think
dog
Jesse
to
lost the other
climb
one.
step
Completely
up. Name-
awful,
Yeah,
but
that's well quick. Name 4.
this girl actually tiny,
Let's
she's
see
that?
the ones. Wings.
Come on, come on. You can do it, you can do it. You can do it.
Charge
Oh my God.
Magic.
Oh,
She did it?
Are they actually number ones?
yeah, they were. And the time it
Damn.
takes this cat to
Perrie, you're winning.
name 5
Oh, cute.
delicious foods: Sunday roast, bangers and mash, shepherd's pie,
That's easy.
no, fish and chips, and
Come on.
apple custard.
Oh, cause that was like easy. That's like literally
So the
food.
time it takes this dog to break the spaghetti twice. Name 3... Asian countries. Japan.
South Korea, Vietnam,
Japan.
China. No way.
Japan.
There's
Japan.
no way, bruh. Look what Asian country they are.
And the time it takes this dog to ascend.
Dude, come on. There's no way she'll get that wrong. Like Japan, South Korea, Vietnam, or even China, bro. Cause those are like literally like the 3 most famous Asian countries. You should just.
Into the ceiling.
I feel like she
Name
just
4
literally gave up that one
things beginning
for
with J.
free.
Jade, juice, juice,
No, sing
jugs,
jam.
jaguars. Right.
Oh, she got it. She got it.
Okay, off you trot. And the time it takes this dog to drop his stick. Name 4... Olympic sports. High jump, long jump.
Running.
Them friggin'
Football.
What the fuck is it when they backflip?
Listen, she could literally just name. Yo, she could literally name any sports and it would probably be right. Literally, there are almost every sports in the
The
Olympic.
time it takes this rhino to break his twig. Name 4
I love that.
team sports: Newcastle, Liverpool, Man United, West Ham.
Oh my God.
Right?
You lost because that's not what it meant.
What do
I
you
think
mean?
it meant football, rugby.
Oh damn! No, it can't go. You don't lose. I already lose. I already lose. I already lost.
This is what
I already
happens
lost.
when you panic.
In the
That's
time
true.
it takes this dog to lick off the yogurt named reptiles. An iguana,
Snake,
a bearded dragon, and a lizard.
crocodile. Oh, I got 2.
Couldn't do that.
I got 2.
I can.
In the time it takes this dog to pop his balloon, name 4 American TV shows: American Dad, Family Guy,
Teen
New
Wolf.
Girl.
Cleveland Show. Oh no way, Cleveland Show. Come on.
These kitchen names.
El Kitchen.
Really hard one.
Hell's
I'm so
Kitchen.
glad I didn't get that.
Oh gosh.
And the time
That's not really
it
hard,
takes
bruh.
This dog to make a splash named 4... Simpson characters. Marge, Bart, Lisa, Homer.
Oh,
Wow, that was good.
Competition's getting hot
it's
now.
really heating up.
Maybe we should just stop now. Can we
No.
just stop now while I'm ahead?
No. In the time it takes this dog to fall off the edge, name 3 disgusting foods: peas pudding, rice pudding.
Peace with the rice pudding, they're lovely.
She's got it all. She's calling all puddings.
I panicked.
In the time it takes this dog to
She was
abandon
literally
its stick,
calling all puddings.
name 4 ... things you find in a car. Them smelly little things. a bottle
Car
of
seat,
water,
air
a
freshener. Yeah, oh my god. Okay.
Oh,
I'm a
that was
dumbass.
hard,
The
that one.
dedication
I'm a dumbass, bruh.
was appalling.
And the time it takes this dog to
Oh
get
my
in the pool,
God.
name 5. Weather types. Storm, wind, rain, sunny,
Snow, thunderstorm. I like her accent. The accent is kind of strong. Give me
I
like a
deserved
Caribbean
that,
vibes.
Actually, so I was better.
I just
Jade accent kind of give me like a Caribbean type accent. It's kind of heavy. I think she could pull up a Jamaican accent very good. Cause she got the heavy accent.
fuck hell, chocolate ice cream.
Wait, I didn't see who won.
Fuck, strawberry,
5.
vanilla,
Oh, they
pistachio,
tied. They tied.
Pissanel. Oh
Wait. I didn't even see who won. Shit, who won? Damn, who won, bruh? Oh, they tied.
no. And the time it takes this dog to get in the pool, name 5.
Oh my
Weather
god,
types.
I didn't even realize that I was watching
Wind,
one who won.
Rain, sunny,
Oh, Jade won.
hail.
Damn, Jade won. I lost.
Thank you, everyone.
I deserved
I lost.
that, actually.
I
so
lost.
was better.
I just swooped in.
Name 5.
I lost. I thought Perrie was gonna win because she was literally crunching it, bro. But she got the Asian country. I can't believe she really got that wrong. Right? That was so easy. Probably she was panicking, but that was literally one of the easiest one. If you said Japan, they're literally China, South Korea. Those 3 are the most popular Asian country. But she was a threatening. But you're still my girl, Jade. You rock it. You won fair and square. Yeah. So this is the end of the video. Peace out.